Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I'll like to show you the way how to create a boomerang content for your Instagram story, but not with Instagram application. We will do it with your iPhone camera. How to do that? Please right away open your camera. Okay, and just prepare the object that you want to take a picture with, and please make sure you already turn on this live photo. If this live photo is off, you can just go click it until the color change to yellow, or if you cannot find this, you can just go click this item and there will be like a live photo options down here. Just go click it and go click on. Make sure that this is in the yellow color. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is preparing the object that you want to shoot or take, and then you just need to go click while moving. Okay, and whenever you're done, let's go back into the Instagram application. Whenever we open the Instagram application, we need to wait until it's perfectly open, and let's slide the screen into the right side so that we can have an access into the Instagram story sections. Okay, and right after that, we just need to go open the picture that we just take. And then you'll see there will be a boomerang tools active on the stop line, so you just need to go click it. And there will be bring you into the several options of boomerang style that you can choose. You can just choose this, the original one, or you can make it like slow-mo, like this. Or you can also make this echo. Or you can also make this duo. But then I would like to have this echo because it's more aesthetic. You can even also adjusting the state or the positions that you want to begin it with. Perfect. And then just need to go click done. And now click your story to add it into your story. That's it. That's the way how we creating a boomerang content or boomerang photo, not only Instagram, not with Instagram application, but with our iPhone camera. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.